Okay, regarding that Rolling Thunder Freedom Convoy, dumb, not dumb. Ask any real war veteran if they'd even do that. Ask any real biker squad who would even do that. Even remotely think of doing that. Who would remotely, especially if you'd never had a motorcycle in your fucking life, purchase motorcycles and do such a thing to block all roads and access paths because of mandates. Just ask them. No war veteran or biker, and many have talked to actual real bikers, and they were pissed to find this out. None of them would even do such a thing. Because none of them are that deluded into thinking that these mandates and restrictions are completely obliterating everyone's charter rights and freedoms. They're not. No, they're not. And how many real bikers and real war veterans are trapped in the mindset of the delusional lunatic fringe? None. Absolutely none. Maybe 0.1 or 0.2%. Oh, wait a second. Maybe none, actually. None. Because it's so easy to get sucked into a cult. And so fucking hard to escape. But that could be something else, but whatever. Yeah. Just ask any real war veteran, any real biker gang or group, or squad, if they'd actually want to block roads like that, want to wreak havoc, want to make noise all day. Just ask them. I don't think you're going to get the answer you want. They could probably never do that, and they may tell you to go fuck yourself. Yeah. So, and not to mention the police took them all out. Yeah, they tried it, they fucking failed. The police actually learned from that. To step up their game, and they've done it. They've actually done it. So that's a good thing. It's gonna fail and fail some more, because realistically, and this is a reality check, batshit conspiracies don't fucking work on people. No, those theories, batshit conspiracy theories, they do not work on anyone. You can't use them. They're not gonna work. They're not gonna work. Especially those, Scientologists. OT powers don't work on anyone. Yeah, there's no fucking OTs. Anyways, that's all I gotta say. That Freedom Convoy 2.0 is gone. It's finished. It's gonna backfire on them. And that fraudulent money they raised from outside foreign sources? Yeah, good luck. That's all I gotta say. Cheers. And if you're still trapped in that cult, get help. I mean it. Exit cult therapy, counseling, 2 different names for it. Works. It really does. And it helps people.